Righto, moving on to question 8. Read the graph below and answer the questions underneath. Okay, so we've got the number of books read, got quite a lot of books as in numerical, and then our people that have been reading books. Okay, so take that in and then read our question. How many books did John read? Okay, so we're looking for John. Here's John, following the graph up, move across. John read 200 books. Don't forget to always put what unit you're using. Okay. Question B, who read the most books? Now, if I look at my graph here, okay, and looking quite easy, the highest is Chris. Okay, who read the most books would be Chris. Okay, you don't have to put Chris read 600 books. That's fine. It's not any bonus question. So 1 mark. Okay. Question C, what was the range of the total books read? Now, we're looking for some things here. So range is, remember, the difference between the highest and the lowest. Okay, so if I've got Chris with 600 and John only read 200, okay, the range would be 400 books. Okay, so that's worth 1 mark. And then we are looking at question D. What was the mean number of books read? Okay. Keyword, mean, we know that equals the average. Now that means I have to, it's worth 3 marks here, so I'm going to have to show some working out. So we've got Dave read 400, John read 200, Bob read 500, and Chris read 600. Now if I add those together, we've got 1,700 books in total. So I'd probably get a mark for putting those together. Okay, then I'd get my calculator. I'm going to put in there 1,700, and I'm going to divide that by the 4 people that had read the books. So the mean, divide that by 4, okay, equals 425 books. Okay, 1 mark for that, 1 for the working, and 1 for the answer, for 3 marks. Okay, moving on to question 9, which is the last one on this page. What is the median from the following list of numbers? Okay, median, that's the middle number. Okay, that's the middle. This is worth 2 marks. So I'm going to have to remember, put these into a sequence. I can't just go dirt, dirt, dirt and have a middle. They have to be in sequence first. So I go 9 is my lowest. Coming across here, 25. Next, looking through, got 39. Cross them out as you go. Makes life so much easier. 61. Then we have 88, 90, 92, and 112. That will give you 1 mark, okay, just for putting them into sequence. Next, I'm now doing my, crossing out from each end. So I can go out 9, 112, out 25, out 92, out 39, out 90. I'm left with 2 numbers, okay? So now I'm going to go 61 plus 88. Get my calculator again. Now, if you've got a calculator, use it, okay? I've seen too many times that people just, do their own sums, and sometimes they're wrong. So always check with your calculator. 61 plus 88 equals 149. Now I'm going to divide that by 2 because there were 2 of them. Divide that by 2 equals, okay, 745. There's your third one.
Hold on. Do that again.
Oh, sorry. Total mistake. Something happened there with the calculator. 61 plus 88 equals, now divide that by 2, not times it by 2, is 74.5. Okay, 74.5.